Introducing Swann's Advanced Professional NVR Series 4K Ultra HD Thermal Sensing Security System. You'll enjoy peace of mind 24/7 with the Professional NVR Series 4K Ultra HD Security System installed in your home or business. Seeing is believing with 4K Ultra High Definition cameras offering breathtaking quality with 4 times the resolution of 1080p cameras. The Ultra HD resolution lets you zoom in to discern important details which are essential for evidence, such as faces and license plates. Easy installation with power over Ethernet cabling that uses only 1 cable per camera for power, video, and audio. Audio enriches evidence by allowing you to hear noises and identify voices by age, gender, accent, or language. True Detect Thermal Sensing detects motion by heat, such as from people and cars, to trigger recording and push notifications, virtually eliminating false triggers. It even has night vision up to 150 feet, 45 meters in total darkness, or 200 feet, 60 meters with ambient light, so you'll know what's happening anytime, day or night. Get color night vision in low light conditions to help you identify the color of cars, clothing, and more. Set and forget recording onto a massive hard drive with easy retrieval of incident video via USB port onto a memory stick, network, or your mobile device's memory. Have extra peace of mind by uploading footage to the cloud when you link your DVR to your personal Dropbox account, so you'll have video evidence even if your DVR gets stolen. Use voice commands via Alexa and the Google Assistant to see what's happening at home.
Alexa, show me the front door.
You can also speak to see what's happening via the Google Assistant.
Hey Google, show me the front door.
In addition to higher resolution, 4K cameras bring with them smart analytics that are exclusive to these 4K cameras, such as face recognition, person detection, and vehicle detection. Add or swap cameras with sensor spotlight cameras that enable color video at night and also have two-way audio and a built-in siren to help you prevent crime. View live or playback video in high definition on your HD TV, LCD screen, or monitor via HDMI connection or VGA port. Safeguard loved ones, protect property, see if a package has been delivered, and make sure pets and loved ones are all okay. Swann's cutting-edge professional NVR Series 4K Ultra HD Thermal Sensing Security System. State-of-the-art security for everyday people that's 4 times the resolution of 1080p HD. It's from Swann, the world's #1 name in security made smarter.